Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Number 1. Bring. آوردن. Verb. To bring means to take someone or something to a person or place. Example: Oscar will bring in all the boxes.
Number 2. Castle. قلعه. Noun. A castle is a building with strong walls where royalty usually lives. Example: the castle was built many years ago.
Number 3. Command. امر کردن. Verb. To command someone is to tell them to do something. Example: the general commanded his army to attack.
Number 4. Counsel. مشورت دادن. Verb. To counsel someone is to listen and give advice about a problem. Example: the teacher counseled the girl about her troubles.
Number 5. Ensure. اطمینان حاصل کردن. Verb. To ensure is to make certain that something happens. Example: eating good food ensures that we stay healthy.
Number 6. Explosion. انفجار. Noun. An explosion is a violent burst, usually with a loud sound. Example: a nuclear explosion can cause great damage.
Number 7. Jewelry. جواهرات. Noun. Jewelry is something that people wear like earrings or necklaces. Example: the woman looked beautiful with her nice dress and jewelry.
Number 8. Land. فرود آمدن. Verb. To land means to come to the ground, usually from a ship or aircraft. Example: the parachutist landed safely on the ground.
Number 9. Meteor. سنگ آسمانی. شهاب سنگ. Noun. A meteor is a rock from outer space that falls to earth. Example: we saw a meteor in the sky last night.
Number 10. Monster. هیولا. دیو. Noun. A monster is an imaginary, frightening creature that looks strange. Example: the monster scared everyone in the village.
Number 11. Northern. شمالی. Adjective. If something is northern, it is in the direction of north. Example: it's much colder in northern countries than it is here.
Number 12. Remote. دور یا دوردست. Adjective. If something is remote, it is very far away and difficult to get to. Example: it took many days to get to the remote island.
Number 13. Southern. جنوبی. Adjective. If something is southern, it is in the direction of south. Example: Taego is located in the southern part of the Korean peninsula.
Number 14. Statue. مجسمه. Noun. A statue is an image of a person or animal made of stone or metal. Example: I saw a beautiful statue of a lion today.
Number 15. Steam. بخار آب. Noun. Steam is water that has become hot and has turned into a misty gas. Example: we could see the steam rise from the boiling water.
Number 16. Submit. تسلیم شدن یا تن در دادن. Verb. To submit to someone is to agree to do what they tell you to do. Example: she submitted to her mother's wishes and did her homework.
Number 17. Temple. معبد. Noun. A temple is a building that is used for religious purposes. Example. The people visited the temple to pray.
Number 18. Upper, بالایی. Adjective. Upper means higher in position or place. Example. A home's attic is at the upper part of the structure.
Number 19. Weed. علف هرزه، هرزگیا. Noun. A weed is a plant, especially one that is not useful or wanted. Example. The yard of the house was full of ugly weeds.
Number 20. Wing, bal. Noun. A wing is the part of an animal that lets it fly. Example. The bird used its wing to fly across the water.